Hello, 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 it's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video, I am going to share with you a little haul from close to my heart of products that I picked up that were released in the March-April catalog. On March 1st, I uploaded a video premiering this whole catalog. So if you want to see the entire catalog, go to the March 1st video. Yes, it will not be super clear, crystal clear, because of the shininess of the, of the paper, because it's not a matte finish. It has a shine to it. So I stated in that video that I would show you yesterday and today, and in a few weeks I will show you some other products that are geared more towards summer. But let's just focus on yesterday and today. As you can tell from close to my heart, they're premiering this as a heritage collection, which it is, but as you know, I will give you other ideas to think outside the box that you can use this gorgeous paper. All right, so think of a family outing in the woods, a walk out in nature. How about a trip to the museum or seeing monuments and statues, right? Or just taking a black and white photograph and using it with this collection. All right, so it doesn't just have to be for old-timey heritage photographs. All right, so today I'm just going to show you what I purchased, and then you're going to need to come back to see what I create using the products. I did not get the workshop kit for yesterday and today. The last several months, last 3 months, I've shown you how I've used workshop kits and put my own style and my own twist. This time I just purchased the yesterday and today paper pack with sticker sheet. I purchased the card stock, which you get 12 sheets for $9.95. That's an awesome deal. Less than $1 sheet. You get 3 black, 3 French vanilla, 3 mink, and 3 espresso. I purchased the yesterday and today vellum die cuts, and then I purchased, I'm going to show you, and then I purchased the yesterday and today card making stamp and thin cuts because I want to make some cards using this collection. And then I also purchased the gold glitter gems because they will go perfect with this collection. And another recommendation that I would recommend purchasing is the shimmer pen in gold as well and in black, because you can use these to splatter. You make your own splatters like we do with the ink sprays. You could use these shimmer pens to do the same thing. Here are the gold glitter gems, and let me take it out of the package so you can get an idea. And yes, this is live. I didn't prep. I never prep. I never prepare my speech or anything. This is all just me. This is me. Look at that. See, those gems are just gorgeous. So those are the gems in gold. And they come in smaller, even smaller than this, the second sheet. So you get 2 sheets. All right, here is the thin cut. I'm going to cover that up because I know you're getting glare. The stamp and thin cut for card making. So here is the stamp, and then you get the thin cuts. Let's see. Then we have the vellum pieces. That's the vellum piece. All right, now we're going to move on to the paper pack and sticker sheet. Look how beautiful this is. And I love the words up here. Let's see, let me bring this up a little bit more. Let's see. So we can, I moved my camera, I apologize. I'm trying to get the lighting so that you can see. So it's today, gather, remember this, family heritage, celebrate, the story, got family, love, life. You can mix this up. These are separate. This is, look at this. We have banner there, scallop. Love this family together, now and then. That's a really cool sticker sheet. I love the cream. This is like the French vanilla paper. I love that. That's nice with the kind of grayish black in the flowers. And you can even add a pop of color on these. So, all right, now off to the paper. So this is side A right here. And it's like a postage. Can you see that? Like a postage type look. So you could actually, if you wanted to fussy cut these out, be a great paper for ripping, for the grungy look around here. I love these flowers. So that's A side. This would be a B side. Love it. Love, love, love. Love this. I mean, this is just open for tons of possibilities. You could just have this as a border this way. So you could have something, see, look at that. Look at that. Just to offset that, you can then take a black washi tape or a strip of paper, or even white, the French vanilla. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, this would be the A side. Love it. And this would be the B side. Has all that distress. And what you would make how you would make your photos pop is using the French vanilla. For this collection, I would lean towards French vanilla, not white. Okay, French vanilla cardstock. This is the backside B, and it's got the distress look already done for you with some polka dots. Can you guys see that? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, this would be side A of this paper. Now, I'm not a fan. I can't remember what you call this, but I would use bits and pieces, or because this is like faded in, blended in with the paper, and it's got this kind of distress, I would definitely use this just as it is and embellish on top of it. Where if it had that stronger color, which a lot of the manufacturers do, it's too much for me. Too much. But I could definitely. But now, this is my fave, and so is this zip strip. Love it. Love this side 100%. So see, if you're not a fan, use both of these. Look at double spread layout. Awesome. And cards. Okay, so here's the black cardstock that you get. You get, like I said, you get 3. And you get 3 of the French vanilla. So let me put this up against the French vanilla. See, guys? Let me get a white cardstock so you can see the difference. 1 minute. Don't go nowhere. Look at the difference. See? French vanilla, right? So you want to use the French vanilla. And if you get this and you're going to do cards, get some of the French vanilla. Get extra. Just get a pack of the French vanilla. So that's that. And then this is the mink. And that's the espresso. I love the tone of this espresso cardstock. Love it, love it, love it. So let's put some of these other papers against. So see, like that. That wouldn't be so much, but look at that combination of the mink and this. Ooh, see, I'm just trying it out too, and that just sealed it for me. That just sealed it. Let's get one of the other ones. Let's try this against that. That just sealed that. There you go. See? And I just showed you on this one, the opposite side. Look at that. See? That just perfect. Close to my heart. Knows 100% how to match this up. This works here. Look at that. Right there. So we know this and this absolutely goes together. Watch. Look at that. Now, if you want to make a statement, let's bring in the black. So look at that, makes a statement, doesn't it? I love it for this side. All right, so there you go. That sealed that. So look at this, definitely gets paired together. This gets paired together. The black with this butterfly gets paired together, and that side with the mink. There you go, guys. I just helped you out. So come on over and shop with me. I'll have the link listed below. I'd love to have you as a customer. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below. If you're not a subscriber, would love to have you as a subscriber. Give a thumbs up. If you're not a fan of Close to My Heart, you don't need to give me a thumbs down to let me know that. That's okay. Just move on. I understand. Not everything is for everyone. So, share my channel. Scrap Lift. Go check out my other videos. Like I've said before, I use Love Close to My Heart, and overall, probably 25% of my layouts are just using exclusive Close to My Heart. So you get a lot of variety from my channel. So don't let these videos that I just talk about Close to My Heart discourage you, because I have several clients from Close to My Heart that love me sharing the Close to My Heart products in person. Sorry about lifting and putting that back down. It was bugging me that it wasn't even. All right, until next time, have a fabulous day, have an awesome week, and we'll see you again. Bye.